On Nifty on 27th July, as mentioned on our Telegram channel, we were expecting a good up move in Nifty. So we initiated a trade around 11,110. That is on 27th itself. We initiated a trade and we were expecting 11,300 as our first target, which we did achieve, and below it was expected that below 11,000 it can have a good downslide, but it did not go below that and gave up move. And the reason was actually Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty was down by almost 3%, but still Nifty uh, hold the position and was not going down. That means Nifty was having its strength. So if it is expected that if Bank Nifty, even if it holds and tries to give some retracement, then we could have means Nifty would have crossed this level and it would have gone further. So because the contribution of Bank Nifty in Nifty is almost 38 to 40%. So the same has happened. Bank Nifty went down to almost 21,600 level, and here it gave a retracement of almost from 21,600 to 22,200. That means almost 600 points, and that's what we wanted. And with this retracement, Nifty was easily taken out from this level of 11,240 level, which was the consolidation range, and it went up and hit our first target of 11,300, and now it has closed above that. Now we expect that Nifty to consolidate in this range and again give a up move, maybe like this, and then again give a up move. Then we can expect a level of 11,500, because all these sellers will be taken out, and they will close their position once it goes above 11,300, and immediately we can expect a good up move of 11,500. But if it doesn't happen this way, and Nifty slides down, so we will modify our stop loss, initial stop loss of 11,000 to now 11,100, because this is the consolidation range. So here we can expect good support for Nifty. Maybe we can expect a support like this, and if it turns out to move upside, then again we can initiate a buy with 11,100 as our stop loss, and uh, maybe a certain range from where it has given a breakout. That will be our entry point, with first target as again 11,250 or 11,300, and above this we will be aiming for 11,500. But below 11,000 we will be initiating a sell with 10,850 as our first target and 10,700 as our second target, as mentioned in our previous view. The same we will be following. So this is on Nifty. In UPL, we had a buy call on for trading on 23rd, but then we could not initiate a trade. Again, we initiated a buy call for 27th trading, but again it could not get initiated because our buy call was above 461. We would have initiated a buy with 476 as a target, first target, and then 500. But then again it did not go up to that. In fact, it went below this 444, which was our initial stop loss, and this trade was not initiated. But after going below, it did not slide uh, below this level, that is 440 level, and again it went up, did a consolidation, and now it has consolidated in this 440 to 453 range. So again we can expect a good upward movement once this 453 level is taken out, which is this previous swing consolidation has happened. If this level is taken out in intraday itself, we can expect a good move. Maybe the first target will be 466 and then 476. Here, 461 will be a small hurdle, but then it can easily take out and we can achieve this 466 as our first target. And on downside, below this triple four, now we can shift our stop loss to this lowest point of this range, that is 440. And with this risk reward of almost 1 is to 2 in our first target itself, we can initiate a trade. So this can be a good trade on buy side UPL. On Tata Motors, we initiated a buy on 21st of July and above 107.55, above this range, we initiated a buy with first target of 109.25, which was achieved, but then after that it could not go up, as our second target was 112. It came down and slide below that, and we had a stop loss of 104 at that time. So this stop loss was hit and it came down. But then for positional bet, the targets were 117 and 126 with 99 100 as a stop loss. It could not go below that, and it turned above this 100, that is from 101. It took a support and started moving up. Now the price is 106. So for intraday, we can initiate a buy with 107.65 above this as our entry point, and maybe tomorrow, if it consolidates here and gives a up move, then this 106 can be our stop loss. That means almost 2 rupees stop loss. And above, immediately we can expect 108.5, which is 1 is to 1 ratio, 2 points up, and another 2 points up, 110 or 110.5. That can be our second target. So it can be a very good intraday trade with 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. And for positional, again 100 will be our stop loss. Rather, we can shift this stop loss from 100 to 101. So another 1 rupees risk we can minimize and carry our position for positional bet with the same targets, that is 117 and 126 our targets for positional. In Tata Steel again, on 22nd we initiated a buy for above 356.7 for a target of 365, and second target of 389.65, and above that 400. But then it went, it gave a breakout about that. In fact, it was not a breakout, it went up and again slide below that, and it came to our stop loss level, 346, and this trade was not initiated that way. Stop loss was hit, but again from here it came down and took a support at 342, again started its upward journey. Now it has again approaching to this resistance zone, that is 361 362 zone, which was the swing high of this particular swing. So now we can expect another bull or the upward movement. Once this 361.5 is taken out, we can expect the first target at 370 and then 389.65 and then 400, which is the max call open interest level, second max open interest level. uh, in fact, we can definitely expect a movement up to 370 in next few days to come. Now here our stop loss will be uh, this swing, that is 352.75, we can put as a stop loss, because this is the recent swing from where it has moved. And to reduce it further, we can shift this stop loss to maybe 356 range, because we will be entering about 361. So once a consolidation is done and it gives a movement about this, then this consolidation zone can become as our stop loss. In LLT, after a fall from almost 14,000 level to 688, 6080 level during this COVID issue, it tried to move upwards, but that could not give a good move as we have seen in many other stocks in Nifty. It is consolidating in a particular range. Here it was consolidating in almost 800 to 950 level. Then it went little up. The consolidation range was shifted from 876 to 989 level. Again, moving further, it consolidated in 960 to 895 level. So the point is, it is giving a consolidation, moving gradually on upper side, making higher lows, and we are finding a resistance at 920, 990 level. So now also, if you see on a uh, daily, in fact 1 hour time frame, we can find that there is an consolidation. Stock has corrected, giving lower swings, but now at this level 898, we can find that it has taken a support, went up, did a swing. This was a high of this swing 914, again came down, but then this 899 or 900 level is acting as a good support level. So on 1 hour chart, we find that multiple times it has taken a support at this level, and it has started its up move from this level. So now this particular range, that is 914 to 900, if this consolidation range is taken out, we can expect a good move in few days, and for that we will initiate our trade above 922.25, because this was the previous consolidation zone, and once this is taken out, we can expect our first target as 936 and then second as 950, and the third again 990 will be the resistance zone from where previously it is taking a resistance. So but in few days we can definitely expect this move with uh, 915 as our first stop loss if we want to initiate a trade for intraday, because once this consolidation is done and once this level is taken out, this consolidation zone can act as our stop loss. But before below that, if you want to carry the position, then maybe 907 or 900 should be our final stop loss for positional bet.